Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finder. In today's video, we're diving into Wondershare EdrawMind, an advanced AI-powered platform that simplifies mind mapping and boosts your productivity within minutes. With this tool, generating a complete mind map from a single sentence is not only possible, but incredibly fast. Thanks to its AI-integrated prompt system, you can create structured and organized mind maps almost instantly, with no manual brainstorming required. You'll find the download link in the description below. Once you've downloaded and installed EdrawMind, go ahead and open the program. As soon as the software launches, you're welcomed by a clean and intuitive user interface. One of the first things you'll notice is the abundance of ready-made templates designed for various needs. These are neatly categorized at the top of the interface and include options like creative mind maps, basic and advanced education, project planning, conference plans, IT-related maps, and many more. On the right side of the screen, you'll find one of the platform's standout features, the AI-powered one-sentence mind map generator. All you need to do is type in your topic, and the AI will instantly generate a detailed and structured mind map. No additional input necessary. There's also a one-sentence slide generator that converts a single sentence into a fully formed PowerPoint presentation, which is incredibly useful for anyone needing quick and polished visual content. EdrawMind also offers several productivity tools such as NoteMap, OCR, and a YouTube summarizer. These tools make it easy to fine-tune your visuals without needing separate software. Let's go ahead and create a mind map using the sentence target audience. Just type it in, hit enter, and within seconds, the AI begins generating the mind map. You don't have to worry about brainstorming nodes or subtopics manually. The AI takes care of it for you. That said, you still retain full control and can edit any part of the map afterward. You'll also find a Generate AI button that unlocks several smart options. These include expanding your mind map with AI-generated subtopics, creating a one-click mind map, getting 5 related questions or creative ideas, polishing your text for grammar and clarity, adjusting the length or tone of your content, and translating it into various languages. Other intelligent tools include spell check to help you catch any typos, and plenty of formatting options. You can add shapes and icons, modify colors, borders, and layouts, and choose from different mind map styles such as tree map, timeline, org chart, fishbone, tree table, and more. Over on the right-hand customization panel, you can tweak layout styles, apply visual themes, change fonts, adjust text size, pick font colors, and even modify connector designs. Visual enhancements are also easy to implement. You can insert priority indicators, emojis, arrows, symbols, and even clip art, giving you the flexibility to fully personalize your mind map. Once your project is complete, you can export it in various formats including PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint slides, and more. Now let's explore the different view modes located at the top left of the screen. You can also switch to outline mode, which breaks down your map into a linear, text-based summary. Great for quick reading and comprehension. There's also Kanban mode, which visually organizes tasks into a board format, and Slides mode, which turns your mind map into a slideshow with just one click. To generate a presentation, simply click on Select Template, browse through the available PowerPoint styles, choose one, and then click Generate PPT. In moments, EdrawMind will auto-create a stunning PowerPoint presentation based on your mind map structure, ready for preview and export. Under the AI section, make sure to explore tools like EdrawAI, the engine behind smart MindMap suggestions, and AI drawing for visual creativity. You'll also find image text extraction for pulling content from visuals, and smart image processors like Smart Cutout, Remover, Enhancer, SR, Compressor, and Watermark Remover, all designed to streamline your workflow and save time. As you can see, Wondershare EdrawMind completely transforms how you approach brainstorming, content organization, visual planning, and presentation design, all with the help of advanced AI. Whether you're a student, educator, team leader, business strategist, or content creator, this tool is a total game changer.